Hello, good evening, good evening. Hi, we have a word family, an, 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 an is a word. I have an apple, an, b, an, ban, f, an, fan, fan, m, an, man. I am a man. Can, k, an, can, p, an, pan, p, l, pl, an, plan, r, an, ran, t, an, tan, v, an, van, d, an, dan. Here we have a capital D, uppercase D. Dan is a name. It's a proper noun, a person's name. So we have a capital D, Dan. Sk, an, scan, sp, an, span. And here's TH together. Than. Not tahan, no. Than. And an, Jan. This is also an uppercase J, capital J. This is a proper noun. Jan is a person's name. Jan, just like Dan, Jan, names of people. Let's go faster. An, ban, fan, man, can, pan, plan, ran, tan, van, dan, scan, span, van, Jan. Great job. Let's keep going.